उसके बाद आ जाते हैं हम अपने फोर्थ डायलॉग के बीच में। फोर्थ डायलॉग है आपका इंद्र और प्रजापति के बीच में। ये आपका छंदोग्य उपनिषद में मिल पाया जाता है, पार्ट ऑफ सामवेद। छंदोग्य उपनिषद पार्ट ऑफ सामवेद, ठीक है। सो इसमें इस चैप्टर सेक्शन कौन सा है इसमें इतना जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसका बस आपको याद रख लेना कि मतलब क्या था। बोथ इंद्र एंड विरोचना हियर द प्रजापति नोज द ट्रू सेल्फ, क्यूरियस अबाउट द सेल्फ नेचर, दे अप्रोच हिम आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग ऑस्टेरिटी फॉर 32 years. Prajapati decides to test their sincerity through gradual instruction and withholding of full knowledge. So Prajapati begins by telling them the self is free from evil, ageless, deathless, without sorrow, hunger or thirst, and whose desires are true. He is the only you must know. He does not explain directly but gives clues, and both students must discover more through contemplation. So stage 1 क्या है, self is the physical body. Prajapati first say that which is seen in the eye or water or mirror, that is the self. Indra and Virochana both interpret this literally. They look at their reflection and conclude that the body is the self. Prajapati lets them believe this. Virochana leaves satisfied, वो चले जाती खुश हो गए. He spreads this wrong view among the asuras that self is the body and one should satisfy its needs, the materialistic philosophy. But Indra is not satisfied. He reflects. Indra satisfied नहीं है, वो reflect करता है, सोचने की कोशिश करता है. When the body is injured or dies, the reflection disappears. How can that be the immortal self? So he returns to Prajapati. Stage 2, self is the body in dream. So stage 2 क्या, self is the body in dream. After 32 more years, Prajapati says the self is that which moves freely in the dreams. Indra goes back and reflects. Indra वापस जाता है, reflect करता है. He realizes in the dreams the body disappears. सपनों में तो body चली जाती है, गायब हो जाती है. तो dream self suffers, feels fear, even dies. That cannot be the deathless self. He returns again. Stage 3 में self is deep sleeping consciousness. Now after 32 years, Prajapati says the self is that which is in deep sleep, where no desires exist and no dreams occur. Indra reflects. In deep sleep, we are not conscious of anything. How can that be self? If one knows nothing, feels nothing, and can that be truth? कुछ feeling नहीं होता उसको, तो क्या वो सही सच हो सकता है? He returns once again. Stage 4 में बोलता है self is the pure conscious witness. Finally, after yet another 32 years, total 128 साल के बाद प्रजापति true self बताता है. वो बताता है self is pure awareness, untouched by body, dream or ignorance. It is invisible yet present, beyond pain and death, unchanging witness of waking, dreaming and sleep, source of joy and truth. This self is as Isa Atma अपहतपमा सत्य कमः सत्य संकल्प. This self is without evil, full of truth and will. Now Indra finally understands philosophical significance क्या है इसका. It teaches that what we think of as the self, body, mind, dreams are not the real self. Only by shedding false identification can we discover pure consciousness. The gradual path shows how ignorance is peeled away layer by layer. The difference between Indra, seeker of the truth, and Virochana, seeker of pleasure, represents divine versus demonic tendencies. ठीक है, तो ये विरोचना, इंद्र, ये सारे नाम आप याद रख सकते हो. अगर पूछना चाहे, वो क्वेश्चन बनाना चाहे तो बना सकता है. और बाकी इसको आपको कौन सा वेद है ये आपको याद रखना है. छंदोग्य उपनिषद है और पार्ट ऑफ सामवेद. कौन सा? छंदोग्य उपनिषद पार्ट ऑफ सामवेद. छंदोग्य उपनिषद पार्ट ऑफ सामवेद. सो थैंक यू, हैप्पी लर्निंग. सीखते रहे, सिखाते रहे.